In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this GMC Acadia. It's located behind the glove box, so let's get started. Open up your glove box and empty out anything that's in it because we will have to tip it further down, so anything that's in it will fall. On the left-hand side of the glove box, you'll see this little damper. It looks like a little shock absorber. You're going to want to take it and pop it off. This will allow you to open up the glove box further. And now we're gonna have to squeeze in on both sides of the glove box. It's got two pins that stop it from opening up too far. Squeeze those in and push it down, just like this. It'll open up all the way. If it comes off of the pivot point here, that's fine. I'm just gonna leave it on for now. In the center here, you'll see a T20 screw. Remove it. With this removed, you should be able to pry on this tab that's on the outside here. There we go. Carefully remove the cabin air filter. If it has a bunch of debris on it, make sure you don't drop it into the blower motor. And if you do, you're gonna wanna vacuum that out. And there's the old cabin air filter. Now you're gonna wanna take the air filter, slide it in, keep the arrow facing me so that I'm sure that it is installed in the same orientation that it came out in. Now, once it's in there, you can take the little door that covers it. It's gonna have a hook on the left-hand side and a little locking tab on the right-hand side. So hook the hook in first, kind of slide it up and over, or in and over, and then it's gonna have a little plastic rail here that this slides in on. Press it until it clicks. Now let's put the little screw in. Start it on, it should thread on smoothly. If it's not, it's probably not lined up. And when you tighten it, just make it snug. It's going into plastic. You don't want to strip it out. Once it bottoms out, just a tiny bit extra, and that should be good. Put the glove box back on if you had it fall off, or if you took it off. Lift it up until it clicks on each side. Now let's reinstall this damper. You're going to want to line it up with that pin and press it on. Once it's clicked on, you can close your glove box.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.